What if you're just one ingredient away from getting more out of your beet juice? If you're a man over 40 drinking beet juice for better blood flow, energy, or performance, don't make this common mistake. Beet juice alone isn't always enough to maximize nitric oxide. So, if you're ready to discover a simple way to get even more from your daily beet juice, make sure you watch until the end. And if you enjoy practical, science-based men's health tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's look at why beet juice alone doesn't always work as well as you think. The ingredient is fresh ginger. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogaols, known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and support healthy endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to relax and widen for healthy circulation. Research supports these benefits. A 2020 review published in Nutrients concluded that ginger has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and vasoprotective properties that may support cardiovascular health and endothelial function. Another 2019 review in Food Science and Nutrition reported that regular ginger intake was associated with improvements in several cardiovascular risk factors, including inflammation and vascular health. I remember one man in his early 50s who came to see me after months of frustration. He told me, "Doctor, I drink beet juice almost every day, but I still don't feel the difference. My energy is lower, my workouts are harder, and my bedroom performance isn't what it used to be." After reviewing his routine, I realized the problem wasn't the beet juice itself. It was that his body needed better support for healthy blood vessel function. I recommended adding freshly grated ginger to his beet juice, staying physically active, improving his diet, and remaining consistent. A few weeks later, he came back smiling. He told me he had more energy, recovered faster after exercise, and noticed better circulation. He also said his erections felt firmer and more consistent because healthy erectile function depends on healthy blood flow. While every man responds differently and this isn't a treatment for erectile dysfunction, his experience shows how small, science-backed habits can make a meaningful difference over time. That's why this combination works so well. Beet juice supplies the natural nitrates your body uses to produce nitric oxide, while ginger helps create a healthier environment for your blood vessels by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Together, they support healthier circulation, which may contribute to better erectile function, improved stamina, stronger workout performance, healthier blood pressure, better cardiovascular function, greater oxygen delivery to muscles, faster recovery, reduced oxidative stress, improved metabolic health, and more consistent daily energy. Here's exactly how to prepare it. Pour 1 cup, 240 to 250 milliliters, of fresh beet juice into a glass and add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Or start with half teaspoon if you're new to ginger or have a sensitive stomach. Stir well and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes before drinking. You can also squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon for extra flavor and vitamin C, but avoid adding sugar or sweetened juices. Drink this mixture once a day, preferably 30 to 60 minutes before breakfast or 1 to 2 hours before exercise. Some men may notice improved workout performance or better circulation within 2 to 3 hours because beetroot nitrates begin increasing nitric oxide relatively quickly. For more noticeable improvements in circulation, stamina, energy, and support for healthy erectile function, give it 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use alongside regular exercise, quality sleep, and a balanced diet. Remember, consistency, not larger doses, is what produces the best long-term results. Before you try this, there's one important precaution. This combination isn't suitable for everyone. If you take blood-thinning medications, blood pressure medications, or prescription nitrates for chest pain, talk with your healthcare provider first, as beetroot and ginger may enhance their effects. You should also seek medical advice if you have advanced kidney disease, a history of oxalate kidney stones, need to restrict potassium, have a bleeding disorder, or are scheduled for surgery within the next 2 weeks. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar closely when making significant dietary changes. And if you experience dizziness, persistent stomach discomfort, or signs of an allergic reaction, stop using the mixture and contact your healthcare provider. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, take a second to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our science-backed men's health tips. But even if you're doing everything I've mentioned so far, a few simple mistakes can quietly reduce the benefits of this drink. Using antiseptic mouthwash before or after drinking beet juice can reduce the beneficial oral bacteria needed to convert nitrates into nitric oxide. Choosing sweetened or processed beet drinks instead. A fresh beet juice adds excess sugar while providing fewer beneficial nutrients. Expecting overnight results often causes men to give up too soon, even though consistency is what delivers results. Poor hydration can limit healthy circulation, and avoiding regular exercise means missing the natural boost that physical activity provides for nitric oxide production and blood vessel function. Avoid these common mistakes, stay consistent, and you'll give this simple combination the best chance to support healthy blood flow, energy, endurance, cardiovascular health, and healthy erectile function. Before we wrap up, here's one simple bonus tip that many men overlook. Try adding a squeeze of fresh lemon to your beet juice or enjoy an orange alongside it. Both are excellent sources of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and supports overall vascular health. While vitamin C doesn't directly increase nitric oxide production, it may help support healthy nitric oxide pathways by reducing oxidative stress, and it adds fresh flavor without the need for added sugar. Also, don't underestimate the importance of staying well hydrated. Water helps maintain healthy blood volume and circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to move efficiently throughout the body. Even mild dehydration can affect energy, exercise performance, and healthy blood flow. These small habits may seem simple, but when practiced consistently, they can help you get even more from your daily beet juice routine. Before you start adding this combination to your routine, there are a few people who should speak with their healthcare provider first. If you take blood thinning medications, blood pressure medications, or prescription nitrates for chest pain, talk with your healthcare provider before using this drink, as beetroot and ginger may enhance their effects. You should also seek medical advice if you have advanced kidney disease, a history of oxalate kidney stones, need to restrict potassium, have a bleeding disorder, or are scheduled for surgery within the next 2 weeks. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar closely when making significant dietary changes. And if you experience dizziness, persistent stomach discomfort, or signs of an allergic reaction, stop using the mixture and seek medical advice. The biggest takeaway from today's video is this: it's not just about drinking beet juice, it's about helping your body use it more effectively. Pairing fresh ginger with beet juice. Following the right preparation, avoiding common mistakes, and staying consistent may help support healthier blood flow, better energy, improved endurance, cardiovascular health, and healthy erectile function as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest science-backed men's health videos. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried beet juice with ginger, or will you be giving this combination a try? And if you want to discover more natural ways to improve blood flow, boost nitric oxide, support your prostate, and maintain your performance after 40, make sure you watch the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.